On the Algorand Developers YouTube channel, we now have over 120 videos covering the ins and outs of becoming an Algorand developer. There are the Getting Started guides, complete end-to-end courses on PyTeal and Beaker, concept overviews, and even product updates so that you can learn everything about Algorand at your own pace. But we get it. Sometimes you need more than just videos. You crave a hands-on, interactive experience that brings the concept to life. Well, that's where the Algorand Developer Bootcamp comes in. The Developer Bootcamp is an intensive and interactive training program where you will do live exercises to practice the concepts taught in the sessions and even get hands-on debugging help from the instructors. Imagine being able to get your questions answered instantly, troubleshoot roadblocks in real time, and connect with a community of like-minded learners, all while gaining practical, hands-on experience building on Algorand. So here's what you can expect from the bootcamp session. All the bootcamps will be held virtually for 2 hours, and they'll be synchronous learning experiences. You'll first learn a new concept in the first 20 to 30 minutes of the session, then you'll be given a live exercise to work on. As you're working through the exercise, the instructors will be present to answer any questions and help debug any issues you run into. Currently, we have 2 developer bootcamps you can enroll in, a beginner bootcamp and an intermediate bootcamp. The beginner bootcamp is divided into 4 comprehensive sessions, each one building upon the previous to create a seamless learning experience. You will start by learning the basics of Algorand, why it's one of the most powerful blockchains out there, set up your development environment, and send your first transaction on Algorand using the Algorand SDK. Then you will learn everything about Algorand smart contracts and get hands-on experience in creating and deploying them on the Algorand blockchain. In the third session, you'll write an auction smart contract and learn how to test the code with Beaker. And finally, you'll build a full-stack auction dApp with a functioning front-end UI. TLDR, you will have built a completely functional Algorand auction dApp by the end of the beginner bootcamp. The intermediate bootcamp also consists of 4 sessions, and the curriculum builds on the concept covered in the beginner bootcamp. It will dive deeper into Algorand-specific concepts like 3 different types of smart contract states, various data types, ARC standards, and more. By the end, you'll use everything you learned in the bootcamp to build a functional DAO contract and an NFT minting factory contract. Then you'll combine the 2 smart contracts and the auction smart contract you built in the beginner bootcamp to create a complex dApp that lets DAO members propose, vote, mint, and auction NFTs. Now, this isn't a sales pitch or a marketing gimmick. We understand that everybody learns differently. We genuinely want to give you different options and opportunities to grow as a blockchain developer, interact with industry experts, and build connections with fellow Web3 programmers. By the time you finish both beginner and intermediate bootcamps, you'll be an experienced Algorand developer who will be in high demand by companies building in the Algorand ecosystem. If you're an entrepreneur, you'll be able to build out your dream application on Algorand. So if this is something you're interested in, you can sign up for the upcoming Algorand Developer Bootcamp at developer.algorand.org/bootcamp. These bootcamps are held regularly, so if you missed the deadline to sign up, don't worry, there'll be another one in a couple of weeks. Also, if you have any questions about the Developer Bootcamp, head to the Algorand Discord channel where you can interact with the Developer Relations team or the amazing Algorand Builders community. That being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.